In 2017, a new trend took the tattoo industry by storm, and that trend is eyeball tattooing. Yeah, a tattoo on your eyeball. Now, just because they're really trendy, does that mean that they are cool or just plain stupid? Well, in this video, we're gonna be talking all about eyeball tattoos, and I would love to know your thoughts. What do you personally think of eyeball tattoos? Leave a comment below. Now, before we get into whether or not they're cool or just plain old stupid, let's talk about exactly what eyeball tattoos even are. And caution, talking about this might make some people a little woozy, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. An eyeball tattoo is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. It is where a tattoo artist will inject ink into the white part of your eye. They inject the ink in between two layers of the eye. It's making me weird just thinking about it. Now, this procedure isn't done exactly the same way as, say, a regular tattoo on your skin is applied. Instead of using a tattoo machine, the artist will use an actual syringe filled with ink to inject said ink into your eye. And when it comes to getting those different colors of eyeball tattoos, they're not using other colors of ink, they're actually using food coloring. This is a tough one to make, but stick with me. Even though this all sounds pretty weird, it's actually pretty interesting. To be honest, I'm not even sure how this trend even started in the first place. During my intense research for this video, yes, they are very popular and trendy, but realistically, I didn't really find anything beneficial about having or getting an eyeball tattoo. Maybe it's only trendy because it's a tattoo in an unusual spot? I don't know. So are eyeball tattoos cool? Should you jump on the trend? Are they stupid? I'm gonna keep it short. They are not cool, they are very stupid. Now, I'm not one to judge, and I'm not judging anybody with eyeball tattoos, but I mean, just from everything that I looked into, there's nothing positive about having them. If you ever thought about getting your eye tattooed, just know that there's just so many health risks that comes when getting this procedure done. There is a number of cases to where people got their eyeballs tattooed and they lost their vision permanently. Or you could pop blood vessels and have internal bleeding. And let's say you got the procedure done and nothing bad happened. You got your vision, everything's good. Well, if you regret it, the procedure is kind of irreversible. Like all tattoos, they are known to fade, but the ink never goes away completely. If you wanted to say, get this procedure done and you got it and now you regret it, there is some medical procedures that can be done, but again, it's very risky and very expensive. So why even put yourself in that predicament in the first place, you know? And again, for research for this video, I even watched interviews of people that have eyeball tattoos and they don't even recommend getting them done. And they say it should really be illegal to get. And that says something. Talking about this is making my eyes feel all friggin' funny. Ugh. And I do want to just say that, you know how we talk about hands, neck, and face tattoos? They could stop like career opportunity and stuff like that. Well, an eyeball tattoo, I feel like that is like on a whole different level. So yeah, there's that. Main reason why I wanted to create this video is to just bring awareness and say that eyeball tattoos, they are a bad idea. I had so many comments in regards of eyeball tattoos, and for being a content creator in the tattoo space, I just figured I had to make a video on it. I just had to spread the message. So yeah, don't get them done. They're stupid. And like I said, there's a bunch of health risks, so stay safe. Short video, yes, but I think we got the point across. If you want to learn more about tattoos, be sure to check this playlist out right here. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification just so you don't miss future videos. And I will see you in the next video. So peace out.